We urge all political parties in Zimbabwe to support a return to normalcy in the country to avoid any violent inclinations. The Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association recognizes that all the political parties in Zimbabwe recognize and respect, uphold the role that was played by war veterans, war collaborators, and war detainees. And therefore, we do not have a reason to have them as enemies. So when we say we want to have normalcy in the running of this country, we also want to facilitate good and proper running of political parties in the forthcoming elections. Yes. So the army is there to restore order and sanity. And like I've said, this has been long overdue. And we support that from the bottom of our hearts.